Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the productivity tricks on the Xiaomi 15. Okay, so let's begin. So at first I'll say there are a few options how to boost your productivity on this phone. So let's begin. Let's get into the settings, scroll down a little bit until we find additional settings. And what we are looking for is at first the gesture shortcuts. So we have, as you can see, the launch digital assistant, take a screenshot, partial screenshot, launch camera, turn on torch, or the custom gestures such as back tap. So in my opinion, using these shortcuts really boosts your productivity. You don't need to look for everything on the phone. You just have shortcuts to those things. So you can enable the digital assistant right in here. So to enable it, just simply hold the power button for half second. I'll show you how this works. That's it. That's the AI. That's the digital assistant. Okay, again, take a screenshot. We can pick between the volume down plus power and the slide with the 3 fingers. So I'll show you an example of each. That's a screenshot using the buttons. And that's how you take a screenshot using your 3 fingers. In my opinion, the 3 fingers is more convenient and more comfortable than, pressing those buttons, and it also looks cool, in my opinion. Okay, also we have the partial screenshot. To take a partial screenshot, we need to do this move, but we need to hold our fingers on the screen. So let's hold and then drag. And as you can see, we can select the part that we want to take the screenshot of. So simply select what you want. Okay, let me start again. Oh, that's how it works. And now simply click on the save. So I only saved this bar instead of the whole screen. And all of the screenshots are stacked in the gallery. I'll show you this. Let's go into the gallery. And here is the screenshot with the fingers, with the buttons, here with the slide, and in here it's the partial screenshot. So it all has been saved. Again, let's go back into the gesture shortcuts. Let's go into the launch camera. You can enable it over here. So now when you simply press on the power button, the camera will launch. So that's what I'm gonna show you now. And now we are in the camera. That's pretty simple. Also, you can disable this, and instead of that, you can select the torch. Just like that. Now I'll double press, and now as you can see, now the flashlight is on. Okay, we can enable it for now. But please remember, you can only pick between the launch camera and the turn on torch. I mean, you can't have both of them enabled at the same time. You need to pick between those. You can't have both of these features at the same time under this shortcut. Okay, now let's go into the back tap. We can pick between the double back tap and the triple. So on the double back tap, we can select to enter the calculator, silent mode, Alipay payment code, WeChat payment code, Alipay scanner, WeChat scanner, all the talkback. And on the triple, we have the same option. So on the double back tap, let's pick the calculator, and on the triple, let it be the silent mode. So now I'm gonna double tap. But you need to let me disable the torch. Okay, and that's how you simply do the double tap. But you need to tap right in here, right in this area below the torch. I'm gonna show you this again. Okay, as you can see, oh sorry, not this side, below the camera. And that's how it works. So you need to tap below the camera, right in this area, right in here. Okay, now the triple backshot, backshot, sorry. As you can see now the silent mode is on. And if you want to disable, do the same move. Now the silent mode is off. Okay, so back into the additional settings, we also want to go into the floating windows here. So you can enable the floating windows right in here. We can turn on the sidebox tool. I'll show you how this works. So now basically we have this small bar right in here with some options such as Facebook, Google, Calculator, Gallery, Notes, Google Play Store, Gemini, Chrome, and many other apps. So now when I simply click on the calculator, now we have this floating window. We can place it basically anywhere we want on the screen, as you can see. We can also make it a little bit smaller. Okay. And during this, as you can see, I minimalized this window. It's really small, but I can still do other things on the phone. And if I want to go quickly back into the calculator, I can maximize a little bit this window, and I can still count, as you can see, some things instead of switching the apps. Okay, and if you want to get rid of this, simply drag this. And now it should be off. Oh, I took a screenshot, I don't know why. Okay, click on over here to maximize the window. And that's basically how it works. Also, you can enter the floating screen using the recent apps. So simply hold on it. And now when you click on this icon, you will get a floating window instead of going by this bar. So that's how you can perform this. Okay, I think we can get rid of that. Okay. Also, in my opinion, the cool thing is the split screen mode. It really boosts your productivity. You also don't need to switch between the apps, and waste your time. So how to enter the split screen mode? Simply go into the recent apps. I'll show you an example on the calculator and the notes. So let me open notes first. And now the calculator. Okay, let's go back to the recent apps. And now we want to hold on one app, and on this icon you can see those two rectangles. So simply click on it. Now let's pick the calculator. And now, as you can see, the screen has been split in half, and on top we have the notes, and on the bottom we have the calculator. So for example, we need to pay the taxes. I'm giving you an example. So in here on the top we create a note, say taxes to pay, for example. And on the bottom we can simply really quickly count something. Then boom, fast switch into the apps and then copy this number into the notes. So it's really fast, really convenient feature in my opinion, and it really helps. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.